Students, let's talk about spring animation in SwiftUI. Let's talk about spring animation in SwiftUI. SwiftUI has built in support for spring animations, which are animations that move to their target point. Point. So overshoot a little, then bounce back, interpolated string, and we can also know this. So first of all, we're gonna get a simple example in this spring animation in SwiftUI. So spring animation in SwiftUI. We're gonna get on the SwiftUI view spring animation, which have a spring animation example, which have a spring animation example. Okay, we're gonna get on animation example, and we're gonna create on this state property, bind on this, we're gonna create on this property, and private var, which is type of angle image, which is type of double, and which is type of command shift z, and this is which is type of double, and is equal to initial value in this 0, initial value in this property in this 0. We're gonna create on this button, which have button and actions and label. We're gonna action is equal to angle image, and so minus is equal to 20, and we're gonna apply on this image. So which have we're gonna apply on this image is, suppose this is the image is 1 ABC, and we're gonna apply on the dot resizable modifier. We're gonna apply on this dot frame, and which are frame is 200 width. We're gonna apply on this frame. So 160 and 80. So not apply on the 160. So 180 and 80. We're gonna apply on the dot 90. Okay. And remove this alignment is remove this alignment, and we're gonna apply on this button dot padding, and we're gonna apply on this rotation effect, and dot, we're gonna apply on this dot decrease our angle, assign on this our angle dot angle image, decrease, and we're gonna apply on this angle image, and we're gonna apply on this animations and dot spring, okay, and we're gonna apply on this dot value, and value assign on this angle image, okay, and we're gonna resume on this application, and not 100% zoom in this application, and run on this application. So tap on this button, this is the angle spring animation, suppose which we're gonna apply on this spring, this is angle image 20, and we can use of 20. Suppose this is there, we're gonna apply on this 200 width, so we're gonna apply on this spring image. This is a spring image. So thank you for watching. This is a use of spring animation in SwiftUI. So this is the ABC image. Our asset we're gonna upload on this asset image is ABC, and we're gonna assign on this image ABC. This is spring animation, and we can use of plus is direction change in this right side. So this is a resume on this application, and direction is right side field. Okay, use of direction in this image on this right side. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Enjoy my videos and like my channel.